Several factors contribute to hairfall during the monsoon. The increased humidity levels make the scalp more susceptible to fungal and bacterial infections, leading to hair loss. Moreover, excessive exposure to rainwater weakens the hair shafts, making them more prone to breakage. Additionally, the moist environment during this season can exacerbate scalp conditions like dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis, which further contribute to hairfall. Here are some tips to combat these issues and prevent hairfall. Keep your hair and scalp clean. Regularly wash your hair with a mild shampoo suitable for your hair type to eliminate dirt, sweat, and pollutants that accumulate during the humid season. Dry your hair properly. Ensure your hair is completely dry before leaving the house or going to bed. Damp hair is more susceptible to breakage and fungal infections. Avoid excessive hairstyling. Reduce the use of heat styling tools, as the moisture in the air can make your hair take longer to dry and be more vulnerable to damage. Embrace natural hairstyles and avoid tight hairstyles that strain your tresses. Use a wide-toothed comb. Gently detangle your hair using a wide-toothed comb to prevent hair breakage. Protect your hair from rainwater. If you're going outside during the rain, consider using an umbrella or wearing a hat to shield your hair from direct exposure to rainwater, which can weaken the hair shafts. Keep your scalp healthy. If you have dandruff or persistent scalp issues, use an anti-dandruff shampoo or treatments, and seek advice from a dermatologist. In addition to these tips, you should focus on maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated to prevent hairfall during the monsoon. Consuming a nutritious diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, including fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and nuts, is crucial for supporting hair health. For those concerned about their nutrient intake, consulting a healthcare professional to consider hair supplements containing essential nutrients like biotin or omega-3 fatty acids is advisable. To prevent further damage, experts advise against straightening, perming, or coloring hair during the monsoon, as these treatments can weaken the hair and make it more susceptible to breakage. However, if individuals experience persistent or excessive hairfall despite following these tips, consulting a dermatologist or trichologist for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment is recommended.